Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel HR Talks with Hola, and today we're going to discuss about a very interesting topic, and some of you might know it and some of you might will think that what does this actually mean. So we're going to talk about boomerang employees, their return and its impact on organizations and HR's role as well. So what does a boomerang employee means exactly? Well, there's a famous saying which is you don't know what you get till it's gone. And yes, when some employees exit an organization and then return because of ABC reason to become stars of Act 2, those employees are the boomerang employees. Now you can make sense of the boomerang thing on Instagram and how it's repeating itself. So yeah, those are the boomerang employees. So what happened when you left an organization or anybody left an organization and feel the need to come back? Is the grass actually greener at the other side, or you really miss the free coffee machine? Well, we're going to find this and find out a lot more in this video. So let's start. So this trend is picking up global steam. Local giants and global giants like Microsoft and Google are seeing an era where their ex-employees are returning back to their initial stomping grounds. So why and what is exactly happening that's making the employees to return to their old organizations? Well, maybe the job that was a dream job for which they switched to another company is after all just a job, or they really feel the growth opportunities that they had at their old organization were not so bad after all. So what is exactly happening, and are all returning employees a green flag for the organizations? Well, let's find out the why and also see how HR's role is very critical to giving green light to the returning employees. Okay, so let's look at the pros and cons of rehiring the old employees or the ex-employees. So let's start with the positive. Hiring or rehiring rather the boomerang employees can have number of benefits. For example, they're easy to onboard, they're well aware of the culture, they already have a setting with the existing team, and they can be looked as someone who is gone and came with fresh perspectives and an upgrade to the existing team. But let's not forget the flip side of the coin as well, where there are number of cons to rehiring the ex-employees, which is they might have some unresolved issues, which in turn can create more issues in the current team. They might are not so aligned with the organization space, which has evolved since they have left. They probably had some issues which were ongoing with a leadership person or their current manager who is still very much part of the team. So HR has a very critical role in evaluating who to give a green signal to while rehiring the boomerang employees, and have to balance out the benefits with the risks, conducting thorough evaluations to see every hire that is being added to the organization adds value to it as well. So let's talk about policies of different organizations while considering rehiring of the boomerang employees. Some organizations have a very strict policy of a waiting period of at least 6 months to 1 year if they're considering the rehiring of the boomerang or the ex-employees. So it is HR's role to ensure a structured policy is in place, so every part of this decision is being taken care of with carefully drafted policy guidelines. So there are three very critical points or tips to cater to this policy. First, set clear guidelines. So you have to be very clear that how much time you should require in order to assess that if an ex-employee is applying, their intentions are pure and they're not just coming to test the waters to leave again. So there should be considerable time in order for rehiring the ex-employee as well, and not if an employee is just left and 1 month later that same employee is applying and you're like, wow, it was a top performer, let's get him or her back. There has to be considerable time. Number two, check the complete history and evaluate how the employee was with us during the time of employment. A thorough evaluation is required here. Did the employee left on good terms? Did the employee had clear behavioral issues? It's going to have a direct impact on how the employee will behave when the employee comes back, because history really matters. And three, the most important, gauge the culture impact. So whenever you're rehiring an ex-employee, it comes with a sense of giving that employee a special treatment over the existing employees and the existing team can feel demoralized, or the loyalists in the team can feel that, what is happening. So you have to be very careful with the impact of this new ex-employee on the team, and communicate very honestly to the current team why this ex-employee is being hired and how this ex-employee can add value to the team and help the business overall. So there is no ambiguity and people are not demoralized. Now, a very important part of the discussion: clear tips for those employees who are looking to boomerang, who are looking to come back to their old organizations. They have to be very mindful and very clear of a couple of things before they make that decision. Tip number 1: reflect on your decision. So you have to think clearly why you want to return and why you left at the first place. Did you left because of lack of growth? And if yes, did that problem actually resolved by now, or was it because of bad management? Do they have new leadership in place? What are your actual reasons for moving back? Number 2, show your growth. During any meeting with your ex-employer where you want to rejoin, show how your current experiences or skills that you gained after you left the organization can add more value, and show them that you're not returning to be in your comfort zone, but returning to add more value. Point number 3, show your true intentions. While discussion with your employer, tell them why you actually want to return. Honesty goes a long way, and when it starts on this foundation, it is going to help you and the new or your ex-employer who you are interested to join back trust you way more. So show your true intentions, and also tell them how you're going to add more value to the organization. So what is the win-win situation? At the end of the day, boomeranged employees can be a great fit to the organization, creating more value. But HR has a very critical role in this to balance nostalgia with logic, ensuring that the new employees hire adds more value while maintaining the existing company culture for the existing staff members as well. Now, come to the end of it. Have you ever experienced this in your career? Have you ever considered boomeranged? Have you ever considered the situation where you would want to move back to an ex-employer, and what was the reason for it? Comfort zone, you can be genuine in writing the comments. And I think at the end of the day, what we should all think and question is, it's not only about is the grass greener, but how to make the whole garden thrive in any organization and change it into a win-win situation for all as well. Do not forget to write the comments. I would really be interested to know, have you ever boomeranged and why? And I'm going to answer to each comment myself. Till next time, this is me signing off. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay curious, and let's all try to stay ahead of the curve. Bye.